Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the element road in Fish It Roblox. So the element road is a total piece, but unlocking it requires more than just coins. So what you need to do to get the road is finishing the element quest, this one in here. First, you need to own a ghost fin road, so I already have one, and you need to catch a secret fish from the ancient jungle and also the sacred temple, so I already have those, and I only left with this mission right here to create a Transcended Stone. So you can just finish this quest. Let me show you here. I'm going to just finish the last quest. Okay, you can just first go to the top of the secret temple and talk to the temple guardian, and let's just go proceed in here. Okay, so this is my last mission. So I already have the element road. Okay, so this is the road that I have now. So if you want to have the element road, just finish the element quest. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.